Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation SH, which stands for shell. A shell is not a strictly defined stitch, but it's a combination of stitches that has the same feel and look. They can vary. You could have a bobble shell, you could have any number of stitches in your shell. What it does, it kind of fans out and you get that like classic shell looking motif stitch, if you will. So in this pattern here, these bits where we've got the most number of stitches and you can see they fan out, those are shells. And when you encounter shells prior to the pattern, there, generally speaking, will be an explanation of what kind of shell it is that you're making, what kind of stitches, and what kind of sequence. So in this pattern, I've got a shell that consists of 3 double crochet, a chain, and then 3 double crochet. So just for interest's sake, let's go ahead and make a shell into this next V stitch spot that it calls for. So I've got 2 single crochet here that kind of anchors the border, and I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 double crochets, a chain, and another 3 double crochet. So there I've made my chain, and then per pattern I lock it in with the single crochet here, chain, single crochet here, and then I'm ready to go into the next spot to do another shell. You'll commonly find shells used for borders, for lacy stitches. So if you see, if I were to block this, it's quite lacy, there's lots of spaces. So yeah, a shell is just a combination of stitches that will be defined in a pattern, which at the end look like a fan or a shell. So there you go, SH, shell.